Hello, amazing gratitude babes. Welcome back to Come Sit in Gratitude with me. This is season 2, day 83 of our daily gratitude practice, where we take a few minutes to notice all the little blessings, all the manifestations, the beautiful moments, and pieces of evidence already showing up in our lives. So grab your Gratitude is Yummy journal, get cozy with your morning beverage fuel of choice, and let's sit in gratitude together. All right, so my 3 gratitudes today are: I am so grateful that I got to see my bestie B yesterday because we both have been super busy lately. So we haven't seen each other in a while, and finally we bumped into each other outside yesterday, and it was also her birthday. So that just felt so good to actually see her in person and wish her happy birthday in person. I shot her a text earlier, but it was good to see her unexpectedly and give her a big birthday hug. It's such a small thing, but it made me feel so happy because sometimes life gets so busy with, like it is right now. We love our people, we think about our people, but schedules are scheduling right now, okay? And everybody has a million things going on, and she has a daughter, it's back to school, so I know there's so much happening. So the fact that of all days I could have run into her, it happened to be on her actual birthday, felt so freaking special. And I'm really, really grateful for that little moment. So thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My second gratitude today is I am so grateful that our channel now has 56 subscribers. Yay! Because I genuinely love watching this little space grow so much. I mean, every time I see that number go up, even by one, I do get really, really excited because that's one more actual human being who found this magical little corner of YouTube and said, yeah, I want to sit in gratitude with you. Yes. How freaking cool is that? And I know 56 is not a huge number. It's not like anything that YouTubers celebrate, but I don't care, okay? Because I remember when there was nobody here for a long time. So 56 to me is evidence. It's evidence that something is growing here. And I am so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you for being here. Today, I'm also grateful that just in general, that our Gratitude Babe community continues to grow, because this was always about so much more than just numbers for me. I wanted to create a space where we could actually practice gratitude together and not just talk about gratitude, not just post pretty quotes about gratitude, but actually come here and exactly as we are in whatever season of life we're in, and intentionally look for the good in our lives together. And little by little, that is what I see forming. And I'm no longer held to timelines anymore. So yes, I am celebrating all the growth, every single bit of it. More people are finding us here. More gratitude babes are joining us on this frequency. More of us are choosing to intentionally look for the yummy in our lives every single day. And I just think that's so beautiful. So if you're one of the 56 people here today, thank you so much for being here. You are literally helping this community with me. You're helping build this community with me. You're helping grow this community with me. You're helping create this beautiful portal with me. So thank you. I love you so much. Okay, now that we've activated the feeling of gratitude, we're going to hijack that frequency and take it directly into our scripting, as I've started doing. Remember, we're writing from the reality where we already have our desire, right? Where the desire we want is already ours. Okay, so that's what we're going to script from. All right, so after we finish our scripting, we seal in our practice with our to feel activation. Basically, how do you want to feel today? Today, I know I want to continue anchoring into the abundance that I've been channeling lately. Today, I want to feel connected. I want to feel grateful, excited, and supported. I want to feel connected to the people I love. I want to feel grateful for all the things that are already here. I want to feel excited watching everything I'm building continue to grow. I want to feel abundant in every area of my life. And I want to feel really supported by God, the universe, by this beautiful community, my community outside of this, and the beautiful people that surround me every single day, whether it's in person or virtually. That is the energy I'm choosing to carry with me today. Then we finish our practice with our intentional actions for the day. And then we put our dreams on the calendar and tick off any high vibe morning routines or activities that we engaged in. And that's it, my loves. That is our practice for season 2, day 83. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so grateful you found us. If you haven't subscribed yet, come join our little growing Gratitude Babe community and sit in gratitude with us almost daily. And if you want to practice the full Gratitude is Yummy method with me, you can order your own gorgeous physical Gratitude is Yummy journal just like this one at gratitudebabe.com. Until next one, keep collecting your evidence, my loves. Keep noticing the yummy. And remember, there is always, always, always something good in every day. I love you. Ciao.